Welcome, my name is Emily. That was really awkward. Welcome. Oh my gosh. Having a great day today. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then hello and welcome. My name is Emily and I create beauty and lifestyle videos, more specifically tending to use cruelty-free products, so I am so excited to have you here today. If you would like to learn more about me and just keep up with my journey on YouTube, then make sure to click that subscribe button. And if you've been watching me and you're still not part of the fam, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on that notification bell so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. All right guys, so today's video is super exciting because I absolutely love favorites videos. They are some of my favorite videos to watch on YouTube. I just love seeing what everybody is like in love with and raving about, and it also helps me make my list of things that I need to buy. So today I will be sharing with you my May favorites. I actually haven't filmed a May favorites, well, actually any videos in a while, but I want to say that the last favorites video that I made was actually in May of last year. So it's been quite a while. I am so excited to film this because I just love favorites videos, but I have some really exciting products, things that I've been using for quite a while, and others that I have purchased this month and have been absolutely loving and just wearing all the time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So we're gonna start out with some skincare and pre-makeup favorites. These two products are products that I have been absolutely loving this month, and really the only two products that have been like my ride or die as far as skincare goes. I am currently in the transition of just kind of building up a new regimen. I had been spending quite a bit of money and investing into a regimen. I just felt like I could be spending a lot less money on something very similar, or products that maybe even worked better and were more naturally based. For this video, I have two products that I have been loving, and this first one is actually one that I've used for a really long time. They are the Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes in the Evening Calm from the Up and Up brand from Target, and they are basically the same thing as the Neutrogena Evening Calm towelettes, but they are like half the price. I want to say that these are not more than around $3 per pack, and the Neutrogena wipes are, I want to say, maybe like $6 or so. So just depending on where you get it. So it's about half the price, and I absolutely love these. They literally like melt off my makeup at the end of the night, and they just work really well for me. I love how like cottony, soft, almost cloth-like feeling that they have, and they just feel super gentle on the skin. Like I said, they're super moist, but they don't feel like oily, and they just kind of take every ounce of makeup off. And they also have a really nice kind of lavender scent. It just smells fresh, clean. It just gets you ready like and in that relaxed mode for the rest of your routine. So this next product I'm sure is no stranger to you. You guys have probably heard so many people talking about it. Everybody raves about how amazing it is. I was just a little late on the wagon because, like I said, I was really trying to stay committed to that skincare regimen, and finally at the beginning of this month I was like, you know what? I just want to try it out. I want to see what everybody is saying is so amazing about it. So I finally got actually just a sample size of it, but I'm going to buy the full-size product, and it is the Tatcha water cream. I love what it does for my skin. It just makes me feel so hydrated, and it just feels very like plump, and like I'm putting all of this, you know, hydration back into my skin. Literally, like my skin is getting a like tall glass of water, gulping it down, and just like that was kind of a weird analogy, but we're gonna go with it. All right guys, so we have gotten to my favorite part of the video, and that is all of the wonderful makeup products that I am loving. So this is super exciting. I have so many things, but we're gonna start out with the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation sticks. I have seriously been loving these guys so much. I've had them for a while, but when I first tried them, I was kind of going through my full coverage only phase. Like basically if they weren't full coverage, then get it out of my face. And I've just really been loving these now. They're more of a light to medium buildable. You can probably build it up to full coverage also. I feel like it's perfect for this time of year because we're in that transition to where it's starting to get pretty hot where I live. I don't want to feel like I have a ton of stuff on my face, and these are super lightweight. I love that they're versatile, so if you're wanting a lighter coverage look for the day, then you can make these light. If you want a medium coverage or, you know, build it up to full coverage, you can achieve that look without the foundation looking cakey. And it just gives you the perfect amount of coverage to where your skin looks even and just really balanced out. It covers the imperfections, but again, it just doesn't make you feel like you're wearing stuff and lets your skin still look like skin. Shade that I use for all over my face is Caramel, and it's kind of a perfect match, so I've been really loving that. And then I also use the color Espresso for my contour, and what I love about using these for contour, cream contour, is that they just blend out so wonderfully, and they also just help your contour, like your powder contour, stay on so much longer. So next we have some eyeshadow palettes that I have been loving so much. One of them I have been using for quite a while, actually since it came out, and like been using it nonstop. I reach for it multiple times a week. And then the other is one that I got at the beginning of the month and have been obsessed with. So I'm gonna share both of those with you right now. The first one is the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And if you have been following me for a while, then you would know why I love this so much. I mean, come on, these colors, they scream me. I just love them so much. And my favorite go-to colors that I use all the time are Orange Soda and Burnt Orange for transition colors. On the lids, I love Sultry and Bronze. They're just absolutely gorgeous colors. And like I said, I just grab for this all the time. I like the versatility. I like the fact that it has a great selection of matte shadows, and it also has the shimmer shadows. The shimmer shadows are out of control, like amazing pigmentation. They're all great pigmentation. And the next palette that I have is the Perception Shayla X ColourPop collab. I, again, have just been obsessed with these colors. They just are my kind of colors. And what I like about this palette is that it gives you a nice range of, you know, neutrals and warm neutrals at that, my favorite. And then it also gives you some nice colors to play with, and color is something that I've never really been super comfortable with, but I do have some videos coming your way where I am trying out some color, you know, colorful looks. And so yeah, be on the lookout for that. But I really like the fact that this has that kind of nice mix of different colors. These eyeshadows are super creamy. They don't have a lot of fallout, and they're just beautiful shades. This one I've been using for all over the lid. That is Diva. It's such a beautiful color. I have been, again, just super obsessed and reaching for this palette and Soft Glam like every day. So this next product is something, again, that everybody has been raving about, talking about how amazing it is. I just had to give it a try because honestly, I had been a little hesitant about it only because I'm not a huge fan of loose setting powders. I was all about the pressed setting powders up until the time that I used this, and it is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. I love this, you guys. Seriously, it has changed my mind about loose setting powders. It is amazing, perfect, so finely milled. It just literally sets everything in place. It's like locked down, and it blurs everything to make your canvas look absolutely flawless. Literally, it feels so nice and light under the eyes. It doesn't make you feel dry, and it just is very complimentary as far as skin tones go. It just is literally translucent and friendly with so many skin tones. So I've been loving it. Don't know what took so long for me to get it, but I love it. Next, I have a blush, and this is from the Wet n Wild Flights of Fancy collection. It is in the color Don't Flutter Yourself. It is seriously such a beautiful shade. It's kind of like a soft pinky slash gold shimmer type blush. I think it's perfect for spring and summertime when we want to look a little bit more glowy. I have it on the apples of my cheeks, and again, it just gives you like that little pink tint to your cheeks and that little bit of shimmer so that we be looking glowy all day long. All right guys, so we're down to our last two products, and they both happen to be lippies. I absolutely love lippies, and these have been my go-to. This is the perfect nude combination for me. I have been loving it all month long, and they are the perfect combo together, but also separately. They pair up really well with different lip glosses and different liquid lipsticks, so I've been loving these two. The first is from Tarte. It is the Tartiest lip paint in the color Bestie. It is the perfect nude for me. On the skin, I feel like it's a little darker, and it's just a really nice kind of brown, a slight bit of rosy pink shade, and it's like the perfect nude for a darker complexion. So if you're my skin tone, then you will really like this if you want like a true kind of a little tiny bit deeper nude. But if you are on the lighter side, then this might be a little dark for you and show up a little bit more true to color, like a true brown. But I have been loving this. The doe-foot applicator is awesome. It has kind of like a little curve to it, and it just lasts literally all day long. It does not budge. And then the gloss has been the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the color Lychee Me. I have been loving this just as the perfect nude topper to give me some extra gloss. And this is actually a very, I feel like, perfect nude for any skin type because it is kind of sheer and it just gives a really nice light shade and shimmer gloss to the lips, and it's just been really perfect. It's not too sticky, so I love it. All right guys, that concludes my May favorites. I hope you had as much fun as I did. And if you liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. Also, I did show a few different products from different collaborations, like the Wet n Wild Flights of Fancy and the Shayla x ColourPop collaboration. I actually received the full collections of those, so if you're wanting to get some more information or just my opinion on those or some different looks, please let me know in the comments down below if that's something that you're interested in. Again, I had so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!